Hi, YouTube.
Hey YouTube friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews, and today I have a new package, an unboxing of the delivery service for food that I think may be useful for you folks now that we are all in this kind of like stay-at-home situation. So today I'm gonna open up Sunbasket, and then in a subsequent video, I will record using this Sunbasket product, but it is a food delivery service where you actually have pre-prepared meals and then you cook them. So let's open it up and see what we find. So this is the Sunbasket box, and because of how it was in my building, they just delivered it to the door and left it. They didn't even knock on the door, but they left it. And so this is what it says, wild caught deliciousness. I don't even know what's in here, but we're gonna open it up. This is my little unboxing, and it says, please refrigerate immediately. And thanks. So we're gonna open this up, and then there is kind of bags in here, and at the bottom there's dry ice. So this is braised beef Penang curry with jasmine rice and peas. And then when you open it, the rice, oh, it's kind of cool. The rice comes already cooked, so you just have to heat it up, which is kind of cool. I got this on discount, and I'll put the Sunbasket code in the video just so you can order it. But like I said, I'm gonna cook it. I'll do another video where I cook it, and then you'll see exactly what it's all about in terms of this. But anyway, this is the jasmine rice with Penang beef. So this is the rice and peas. It's actually pretty cool. Oh wow, look at that. And then this is the braised beef and curries, and then you can see what's in here. It says beef shoulder, coconut milk, diced tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, mild chilies, lemongrass. That's kind of cool. So we got one meal, and then this one is, well, this one is the spice chicken. This is spice Chinese noodles with pork and shiitake mushroom. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, look at this. They actually sent me leeks and zucchini. Looks like a cucumber, but it's a zucchini. Noodles that I will have to boil, which is kind of cool. A recipe card that tells me how to cook it. Oh, look at that. Dried shiitake mushrooms. That's cool. This is crazy. Look, a whole onion. And listen, if you guys don't have access to grocery stores, let me tell you, this is a super option. And it took me about a week to get it from when I ordered it. Fermented, and you can tell them what types of food you like and they'll send you food, or you can actually pick meals that you want. But anyway, this is fermented black bean paste, which I love. And let's see what else is in here. Oh, and 2 radishes, which I'm gonna have to cut. So, and then under here, next to the thing, what is this? This is ground pork. So they put that right next to the ice so that it doesn't go bad. And they can send you any types of meat. And then there's a dry ice packet here. And it's insulated. So, this is kind of how they send the meals. But like I said, it was only about a week, maybe a week and a half for me to get it, but there's tons of meals. And the price of the meals, given that this is 2 meals, servings for 4 people, or 1 meal is a serving for 2 people, it's actually pretty good. That's it for my unboxing. As you can see, my food here, but this is your boy GB Reviews. Please subscribe, like below, hit that algorithm, or hit the notification bell so you can know when my videos come up, but also hit the like button for the algorithm. I will, like I said, I will prepare tomorrow. I think I'll prepare the braised beef and the rice, and then I'll let you know what it's like. But and I'm also going to drop the referral code in there just so you guys have that too. But you know, I'll let you know what I think. I'll let you know how easy or hard it is to prepare these food items. And then we're gonna rock with that. I'm actually ordering a few of these kind of food delivery services so that I can review them for you to give you my personal recommendations. But anyway, it's your boy GB Reviews. Please subscribe, like below, and we'll catch up next time. Subscribe and like below. Out.
Subscribe, but like below.